In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Firstly, you need to head over to the settings of your device. Click on Start, and there you'll see Settings. After you open up Settings, you need to head over to Apps. Here it will show you all the apps that are installed on your device. Now find the app that you want to uninstall. Click on the app, and then an uninstall button will pop up. Click on Uninstall. You can also do the same process for any other apps that you want to uninstall. Now if you go back, you can see that the app has now been uninstalled from my device.